How to add background music in Filmmaker Pro. First of all, open the app on your device and load the project where you want to add background music. Next, tap on the music or audio option in the editing tools usually located on the right side of the screen. You will see options to choose from: inbuilt music tracks, import music from your device, or add recent tracks you have used. Select a track you want to add as background music and tap on it. It will appear on your timeline above your video clips. You can adjust the volume, trim the music, or change its speed to fit the length of your video. Additionally, you can apply fade in or fade out effect to make your music blend smoothly with your video. Once everything is set, preview your video to ensure the background music matches perfectly with your content. Now you know how to add background music in Filmmaker Pro. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more video editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.